inside is an 80-watt CO2 laser tube, which produces an infrared laser. It's the same laser tube used in my CNC laser cutter, which is capable of cutting up to an inch thick of wood. Unfortunately, that's a focused beam. And for some reason, manufacturers don't make focusing lenses for these types of lasers for long-range use. But that being said, we're going to be able to light a lot of stuff on fire. Now your face is on fire.
The plasma cannon consists of 2 lithium polymer batteries in the back, a radiator with a fan, some Arduino components in the center, a 120 volt inverter down here, the 80 watt CO2 laser with a nice cooling hole at the very bottom of the gun. In the front, you see 50 meters of blue, pink, and ultraviolet LEDs that create the entire glowing effect, along with a blue laser that allows you to aim the weapon. From about 15 feet away, you have no problem setting wood on fire, popping balloons, lighting gasoline. Wouldn't be very good against human flesh, probably burn you a little bit, but definitely not something you'd want to stand in front of.
We should probably clean out the garage.
Hasta la vista, balloons.
Nice.
All right, do that again.